Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So I've been trying to finish my Camaro and I think I got it close to done. The only thing I need to do is to get a muffler. I mean it's running but it's kind of loud, but it's ready to take it out there for a test drive. So let me show you around, let me show you the car around and then we go for a test drive. running. I'm pretty happy the way it's running. I still have to work in a couple small details. You know, I feel like I'm never gonna be happy with some things, but it's really easy fix. They don't really need to be fixed. It's just me trying to make this project my best. So I've been really working hard on this one, try to make it my thing. I want to make it really the way I want it, and I think I'm close to have. So the things I have to work on is, number one, I need to get a muffler, and I'm gonna look for one who make the engine sound better. I just don't like it's too loud, but I'm gonna try to find the right one. And the other thing is, there's a couple places where I need to reinforce my frame, just a couple little places where it really needs to. And I think it's pretty much it. I don't know if you guys realize that I paint the plastic, so in a couple places like this jello is different than the one in the windshield. So I'm gonna, maybe later I'm gonna take these ones apart and paint it to the same color. I kind of like this color. I like the combination with the black and the gray. And I found these pretty cool stickers, and it says Camaro SS. I think they go with it. That's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. See you soon.